Thank you for choosing the iSpring Whole House Water System. In this video, we will show you how to properly install the LED UV light for protecting your whole house water. Before we begin, please carefully read the user manual and ensure water temperature ranges from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The system is intended for cold water use only. Do not run hot water through the system. Do not install this product outside or where exposed to direct sunlight or freezing temperatures. The installation requires an electrical outlet. This product is designed for residential use only. Contact iSpring customer service to inquire about using it in non-residential settings. It is recommended to have a filter installed before the system to achieve optimal performance. A water route bypass is also recommended to allow easier access to maintain and troubleshoot the system if any problems arise. Please check that all parts were included in the package and have all the required pipe connectors and tools ready. Preparation. Please note that different settings require different connecting setups. Connectors used in the installation video are for demonstration purpose only and are not included in the package. Install 1-inch NPT connectors into the inlet and outlet ports of the UV system. Tighten the connectors with a wrench. Installation. Step 1. Shut off the main water supply and turn on a faucet on the water supply line to drain the remaining water from the pipe. Step 2. Find a suitable location on the water line for the UV system to be installed. Measure and cut the water pipe. Use a bucket to catch any remaining water from the pipe. Step 3. Install the UV system onto the pipeline, ensuring the water flow direction aligns with the direction marked on the label. Verify that both the inlet and outlet pipes are fully inserted into the connectors to prevent any leaks. Step 4. Connect the power adapter to the UV system and tighten the nut to secure the connection. Plug in the adapter to an electrical outlet. Step 5. Turn on the main water supply to rinse the filter for 2 minutes. Ensure there are no leaks occurring, then shut off the faucet. Please note the UV system has an integrated water flow sensor. When water flows through the filter, it activates automatically without any manual operation. When the UV filter is on and working properly, the indicator lights will turn solid blue. The lights will flash blue when an issue is encountered. When the indicator lights turn red, it means the UV system has reached the end of its lifespan and needs to be replaced. Congratulations! Your iSpring Whole House LED UV system installation is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you.